In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to check your AT&T data usage. Let's get started. The easiest way to check your data usage is through the AT&T app. Open the app on your iPhone or Android device. Sign in with your AT&T user ID and password. Once you are logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Here you will see an overview of your wireless account, including your current data usage, the amount of data remaining if you're on a limited plan, and your current billing cycle. If you have multiple lines on your account, you can tap each line to view its individual data usage. You can also check your data usage from a web browser. Visit the official website of AT&T, provide your credentials and login. After you log in, go to Usage or My Wireless section. Here you will find detailed information about your current data usage, including how much data has been used, your billing cycle dates, and a breakdown of usage for each device on your account if you have a family or multi-line plan. And that's it. This way you can easily check AT&T data usage. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.